In this next section, we're going to talk about overmolded and vulcanized covers. And that means that we take the metal substrate or the plastic substrate and we actually compression mold this material onto the gasket. It's not glued on, it's molded to, so it's a very robust solution. Something that can be easily opened or closed if needed.
Sierra, I recognize that this section is titled Overmolded or Vulcanized Covers. Can you talk to why they're specifically covers?
The gasket is going to get molded onto one side of the box or the other, and usually the cover is lighter weight and easier to ship across the country because these need to come back to Chomerics to be molded in-house.
Gotcha. What are some of the other benefits of overmolded covers?
Well, like I said, the robustness of being able to open and close and not have the O-ring pop out. I had a customer several years ago and they had designed in a simple spliced O-ring in a groove and it just kept popping out during installation. They didn't want to spot bond it. They were trying to tape it down. They had to install the cover vertically, so it wasn't horizontal. You think that would be a lot easier. So we actually talked to them about designing an overmolded cover. It was more complex than a simple O-ring, but it saved them immeasurable time and money during the manufacturing process, eliminated a lot of frustration. And, one of the things was they were paying the engineers to come in and figure out the problem. And they're a lot more expensive than an assembly worker per se. So there are a lot of benefits, measurable and immeasurable.